In this video, we're going to review the book First Virtues, 12 Stories for Toddlers by Dr. Mary Mann Simon. Hey guys, my name is Brianna and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we share books, tools, and tips, activity ideas for people like you, parents and educators of young children. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy content like this. So I want to first tell you guys, this book it has a padded cover, and one of the reasons why I wanted this book is because this book is a godly character development type of book, and it covers different concepts that you can see here: kindness, truthfulness, love, patience, manners, doing your best, and so much more. So let's take a look at what it looks like on the inside. So you have put your children's name. I haven't put my kid's name in there. Sometimes I don't do that because I always think about if I give it to someone else. But it's broken up with different characters. And this is actually from this book I found on the My Father's World curriculum, but it's also available on Amazon as well. So it says, Kitty shows kindness. So each story begins with something along these lines. It says, Kitty, share today what the Bible has to say. And then it talks about what the word kindness means. So you see Kitty helping someone in need. And then there's different examples of how Kitty is showing kindness. And I really love that it's short, to the point, and it's things that young children, will you share? I'll give him my fuzzy bear. It's things that young children can relate to in their life. And one thing I really like about this book is that every Bible story includes the scripture, be kind to everyone. Not just this scripture, but scriptures relevant to the topic. And then it has a parent connection note. So ways that you can make this book more meaningful and make connections. And then catch your child being kind when he or she. So it gives you examples and just different ways of how you can expand on this. And so Piglet tells the truth. Once again, it starts off with Piglet, share today what the Bible has to say. So each character has different traits, Bible traits, and it has scripture. And this book is about 253 pages long, and it has all the scriptures in the back. So if you are ready to do memory verses and different things like that, this is a gem for you. And if you're looking for other Bible books or biblical-based books, I have the My First Hands-On Bible book review, and also the preschool curriculum, God Made the World in Me. So check it out in the description box below. Bye, guys.